Hi there again. Dr. Jenni Tailor here. I've been finding that running my new cosmetic clinic, Barefaced Lives, is pretty hard going. And that sweaty Dr. Seymour Butts is a bit of a handful these days, despite the AI-enabled security CCTV. I decided I needed a rest, and so I've returned to being a British GP for a while, at Feeling Good Surgery. Before the old pandemic, it used to be really hard work, you know, what with actually having to see loads of grotty-looking patients face to face. And then I had to listen to them moan on and on and on about their ailments. The old ones were the worst. Sometimes back then, can you believe it? If they were really ill, I actually had to go and see them in their houses. I had to leave the surgery and drive to see them, honestly. Anyway, the good old pandemic stopped all that nonsense. And now, most of the time, I can just sit at home like now, with a nice glass of red, watching Hones Under the Hammer.
Yes, and a wide range of buyers looking for a bargain.
Or a nice quiz show, and just phone them all up. It's great. We actually call these telephone appointments. Yes, appointments. And the icing on the cake for us, or as some patients call it, the turd in the drain pipe, is that instead of just phoning our miserable receptionists, patients now have to use this wonderful thing called e-consult, where they send in a form. In fact, I'm not sure what our receptionists actually do anymore, because on the very rare occasions that patients manage to visit the surgery, they even have to check themselves in.
Feeling good. How can I help you? No, I'm sorry, all the doctors are very busy at the moment. No, Dr. Tailor is extremely busy with patients. No, I'm sorry. Just go online to www.feelinggood.co.uk and download our e-consult. What did you say? I will have to report that comment to our practice manager. Yes, and you.
However, if it's really quiet and I'm a bit bored, I can always call up good old Randy Dr. Luke for a bit of a laugh. But I worry about Dr. Penetration, my colleague at Barefaced Lives, who used to be Penny Smith. She's really regretting marrying that Nick Tration and having to change her name to his. But hey-ho, I suppose you do need to be really careful who you marry, don't you?
Well, I'm Professor Hugh Janus. I'm a senior colleague of Dr. Tailor and Dr. Tration, and yes, their names can be a source of amusement, but just imagine being stuck with mine.
It's that Brian Brannigan again. He's getting quite angry. He's worried it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and...
No, I don't care if that boil on his bum is getting bigger. He can either dial 999 or do an e-consult. No, I am absolutely stacked out at the moment. Tell him to do an e-consult. Bye. All the other doctors here are either Indian or Chinese. Thing is that they don't tend to waste 3 bloody years and 60,000 pounds studying film and TV or whatever at uni, and then have to get a job at Burger King. And of course, these days, it's a nice, easy life for all of us at Feeling Good Surgery, just as long as we keep all the patients at arm's length. That'll probably be lovely Dr. Luke. But anyway, I have to go now because I've got to do a couple of those telephone appointments, and one of them is a miserable old bastard who keeps going on and on about a swelling on his penis and needing to see a specialist or something. But at least it's all a lot less hard work than at my cosmetic clinic, Barefaced Lives. Bye for now.